Hey guys, taking a video of my birds. Nothing too exciting. These guys are, oops, they're just partaking some food. This guy up there, the new one's having fun with its key, enjoying herself, looking healthy, looking strong. Again, it's the key to happiness in this cage. And these two here are just like doing some intimate, sharing the food and kissing and touching. And yeah, that's it. Quick video for the birdies, for the budgies. So recap for you new viewers. That's Bob showing his butt. That's Bluey, who is getting smarter every single day. The one closest to you is the girl. Her name is Karen. The one that was down with the boys eating from the red bowl is Jazz. And that one hasn't yet to have a name. We're still trying to... Oh, look at that. I love when they do that. It's so awesome when they hang off that. That fucking cracks me up, I swear to God. Full swings. That one's really acrobatic normally, actually. So that one there, you get to have a name, but I'm thinking of something that's acrobatic. That screams acrobatics. I don't know. Any ideas? Write in the comments if you want. If you got any ideas. Bit of a, yeah, it's a funny bird. She's happy now, which is good. I'm happy. If she's happy, I'm happy. All right. Cookie out.